Hello guys, you're welcome to Laprinzo Wealth Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe and you're welcome to my channel. Today or tonight, I'm going to be showing you how you can trade volatility indices, boom and crash, right? All these pairs professionally. Professionally, how you can trade this market without indicators. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be dropping videos teaching you how you can trade this market without indicators. I've taught this knowledge to thousands of my students online, and today they are all making money trading this market without indicators. A lot of people use indicators to trade, but the secret about profitable trading is trading without indicator. So let's get started. Now I'm going to be analyzing this pair V75. So now if you look at my chart right now, you're not seeing any indicator, you're seeing just the candlesticks, all right? The candlesticks and the plain chart. So the first thing I want to do, the very first thing you want to do as you're opening up your chart, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to a daily time frame. All right. Again, before you continue watching this video, please subscribe to the channel. All right. Also like the video, share with other people so that will enable me to be creating more videos for you to be learning this skill set that will pay you for the rest of your life. I tell people, if you're not trading online or making money online, you are really missing. There is a lot to make if only you make a decision to trade professionally instead of investing your money with companies that will run away with your money. The best skill set you can learn is to learn how to trade. So once again, you can subscribe to the channel. All right, again, also click on the link below this video, make comments if there is anything you want me to correct or something. Write comment on the comment section, and then also join our free telegram group where you'll be learning this skill set for free. It's absolutely free. All right guys, so let's get started now. You can see that this is daily time frame. All right, this is daily time frame. What is happening on this daily time frame? For some time now, the market has been on an uptrend, right? It is, you're seeing it clearly here. The market is showing you an uptrend. You see, it is an uptrend. Now, I'm going to show you how to start trading. The first thing you want to do as a trader is go to a higher time frame and plug with this higher time frame. What I want to do is to uh, I'm going to use my trend line. First of all, all right, you want to map out turning points. I call them supply and demand zone or structures, market structures, right? Now you want to know where this market has been turning and be bouncing back repeatedly. You want to know where the market has been turning and be bouncing back repeatedly. If you look at this place there, clearly the market has been turning. All right, from this place, market has been turning and bouncing back repeatedly. So this is clearly a turning point for us. I'm going to map up another turning point. This is basically how you trade this market because market respects these turning points. This is another turning point. How do I know? Look at the history. Market is all about history. Go back to the history. All right, this is let me no. This is 2021. There was time market go to this place and it turned back. All right. So look at it here. All right. This is clear support. You can also call them support and resistance zones. Support and resistance zones are where market has touched and bounced back repeatedly. And if you can master drawing or mapping out these zones, you have passed 80% of your journey in trading. You don't want to waste your time in using indicators to trade, all right? Just map out these strategic turning points, and then you want to trade only when price gets to this turning point. And how do you identify these turning points? Number one rule is to use a higher time frame. Number two rule, you can also use line charts. All right, use line charts to clearly identify this turning point. You can see that these are clearly turning points. All right, look at what price did in the past. They are clearly turning points, and you can use these turning points to make your trading decisions. All right, so first of all, you need to use the um, daily time frame, and then use line charts. Use line charts to easily, line chart will help you easily identify these turning points. All right, so what do? You only place a trade when price gets to this turning point. From today, if you're watching this video right now, this is your first time of watching my YouTube channel, my strategy, this strategy works. You're only trading when price gets to this turning point. If price is not on a turning point, you are not trading. Right now, if you can see this market very well, some days ago, the market has been going up, and market gets to this turning point, all right, it got rejected. That is yeah, what do you do here? When you get here, what do? You look for selling opportunities. Now, you don't want to keep your mind on just a daily time frame. So let me also draw trend line for this market. Uh, this market is an uptrend. This is V75. All right, I'm going to show you another video on how to draw trend line, but this market clearly is an uptrend. Now, let's go back to a higher time frame. Now that you have successfully mapped out these turning points, you want to also go back to smaller time frame. This is daily time frame, right? You see that price has touched this our trend line here. All right. So if you were buying, if you wanted to buy this market when price was on an uptrend, all right, when this pullback happened, you call it pullback. As price gets to this trend line or this zone, they call it a zone, price gets to this place. After you seeing this candle, if you are using a 4 hours time frame, after you see this 4 hour candlestick, what you need to do is to place a buy and probably take your profit here, or you can, yes, because this place is a strong zone, so you don't know when price will break through this zone. All right, I'm going to come with different videos on how to trade breakout, but for now, let me just focus attention on how to map up turning points for this particular training. Now you can see that price has gotten to this place again. All right, this is the trend line. Price go to this trend line and is rejected. So what do? You buy when price gets to this turning point. So probably you can take a profit here, all right, on this level, this 9180 level. First take profit. You can take a profit and wait for the price to get to the other side of the uh the zone. Let me go to daily time frame again. You see how price may likely get to this point. All right, price may likely get to this point, but you don't want to, you want to just take your profit here first. All right, now why do I say so? Because price may turn from here. Because why? In the past, price got to this level and it turned massively. The only time you want to trade above this zone is when price will do this. If you see that price do this breakout, let me remove this trend line. For you to trade above this zone, right, you need to allow the price to do something like this. All right, you're gonna do something like this, and this is pure price action. You're not using any indicator, you're not using any robot. Perhaps price is gonna do this before you think so. Okay, this might be a continuation of the uptrend, because right now we don't know if the uptrend is going to continue. We're still watching the market. We are not sure of whether this market is going to turn around again, because why? In the past, see, market is all about history. Look at it here. There was a time here price got to this point, This was I think August 20, August 27, 2021. Price got here and it got rejected and massive turnaround. So because of this strong zone, you are this buy we are doing right now, because right now this buy I told you to buy, you are going to make profit and ensure that you get out of the market before at least this zone here, and watch the market to break out of this zone and come back and do a retest. So you are not going to be watching the market with daily time frame at that time. You can go back to even 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. Look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour also shows it that with 1 hour it shows as if it is a downtrend, but it is not a downtrend. This is still an uptrend that is a valid uptrend. So your goal is to learn how to map out these strategic turning points. So this video today is just to teach you how to map out this point. This is another turning point. And what do you do on this turning point? This is the places you make your trading decisions. All right. This is the places you make. This is the places either you can sell here. Look at here. There was a time price was here, it rejected. It was here. Here it was resistant, but it broke through this zone. It came back here for a retest. Look at here, it break through this zone. It came back here for a support. So a resistance can also become a support. So for now, my goal is to show you how to map up these points. I'll come with videos that will show you more entry strategy, more sniper entering strategies. But for now, your goal is to strategically map up these turning points. Then you make your decision only when price is on these zones. If price is not on these turning points, you don't want to trade. That is just the principle. You don't want to go to trade with daily time frame. You want to take a trading decision. You can even go to 15 minutes time frame for early entry so that your stop loss will be low. All right. So this is 15 minutes also shows you this. I call this minor zones. You can also take advantage of the minor zones. All right. But the most important thing is to focus your attention and use higher time frame to identify this turning point. This is minor zones. What do you do? When price gets to this point, you think about, okay, what decision will it make? You make a decision of selling. Why? Because it's on a zone. It's on a turning point, clearly turning point. I'm going to come with videos, candlestick patterns that you can use to identify when to buy and when to sell in my subsequent videos. So I don't want this video to be too long. This video is just to show you to map out this turning point. Again, use higher time frame like the daily time frame, 4 hours time frame to map out your turning points, and then you make your trading decisions based on market is on a turning point. You don't want to make trading decision on any of these zones, any of these places, but only key turning areas, key levels where price has bounced and touched, price has touched and bounced back repeatedly in the past. You go back to history before you open any market. You just go back to history and see what price has done. Let me look at also crash 500. So what do? You go to daily time frame. Okay, it seems crash 500 does not have much history. Let's use 4 hours time frame. A lot of people use so low time frames to analyze this boom and crash. You see, market, this one is clearly an uptrend. Clearly an uptrend. What do? You look for turning points. If you master this pattern of trading, believe me, you will enjoy this market and you make money from this market on a consistent basis. On a consistent basis. Because price has always turned from this zone. Price has always turned from this zone. All right, I don't want this video to be too long. This is daily time frame. Let me see. You see, price respected this turning point. Look at what happened here. It went down. It came up here again. It has dropped. It dropped. All right. This was when this was on the I think April, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, June, price got there and it got rejected. Now, price has gotten to that level again, and that is why you're seeing this rejection that is taking place. So if the market is going to break through, like I said before, it may come down to this point here, where this particular zone here, all right, then before, maybe if it is the uptrend to be continued, it may come down here for a, this what you're seeing here is just a pullback. All right, so if you were to trade this market, once price got to this level, as soon as price get to this level, you are going to be making your trading decision whether to buy. But at that time, you used a lower time frame for your entry. It's no longer daily time frame. The daily time frame. The daily time frame is just to analyze, look at if you had entered the market when price actually approached this place with a lower time frame. Look at the massive profit you would have made from this trade. So just use higher time frame and identify the skill levels of interest. This are because market is all about psychology. People are watching these zones, and as they are watching them, they are not using 1 hour time frame or even 5 minutes time frame to watch these zones. They are using higher time frames to identify the skill level. So once you understand this skill level, look at it here. It was once a support here. Once you understand how to trade based on key levels, your trading becomes so easy. So I hope this video helps you to understand how to trade on key levels. I'm going to be posting more of these videos, so subscribe to the channel. Write a comment below. If there's anything you want to ask, write on the comment below. Also join our Telegram group. If you have not started trading with Deriv, you have not started trading volatility indices, boom and crash with Deriv, use the link below this video to create an account for yourself and start trading this market and make money from home. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.